64 gigabytes of RAM for Word documents?
Question for you. You're going all the way from some random mismatched DDR3 to 64 gigs of DDR5. Do you have any idea how much this is worth right now? Does she need 64 gigs of DDR5? What do you do with your system?
You do use Word documents once in a while in Excel, and I play games sometimes. That's about it, though.
I also didn't know we got 64 gigs. Is that actually 64 gigs?
You ordered 16 gigs.
Yeah, that sounds more like it.
Well, I can see where the RAM budget came from. An A-series chipset motherboard with 64 gigs of RAM on it. There's a first time for everything. This is plenty of PCIe and USB for one slot.